Copyright law in the music industry is a complex and ever-evolving landscape that shapes the way artists create, distribute, and profit from their work. At its core, copyright law protects the intellectual property of musicians, songwriters, and other creators by granting them exclusive rights to their original works. These rights include the ability to control how their music is used, reproduced, and distributed, as well as the right to receive compensation for its use. One of the key aspects of copyright law in the music industry is the concept of ownership. When a musician creates a piece of music, they automatically hold the copyright to that work, giving them the exclusive right to reproduce, distribute, perform, and display it. This means that no one else can use their music without permission, unless it falls under the fair use doctrine, which allows for limited use of copyrighted material for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. However, navigating the intricacies of copyright law in the music industry can be challenging, especially in an age where digital technology has made it easier than ever to share and distribute music. With the rise of streaming services and social media platforms, musicians must be vigilant in protecting their intellectual property from unauthorized use and infringement. One of the most common issues that musicians face in relation to copyright law is sampling. Sampling involves taking a portion of a pre-existing recording and incorporating it into a new work. While sampling can be a creative and innovative way to make music, it also raises legal questions about ownership and copyright infringement. In order to legally sample a copyrighted work, musicians must obtain permission from the original copyright holder and often pay a licensing fee for its use. Another important aspect of copyright law in the music industry is the concept of work for hire. When a musician creates music as part of their job, such as composing a film score or writing a jingle for a commercial, the copyright to that work typically belongs to the employer rather than the musician. This can have significant implications for musicians, as it means they may not have control over how their music is used or be entitled to royalties from its exploitation. In addition to protecting the rights of musicians, copyright law in the music industry also plays a crucial role in ensuring that creators are fairly compensated for their work. When a musician's music is used in a commercial setting, such as in a movie, TV show, or advertisement, they are entitled to receive royalties for its use. These royalties are typically collected and distributed by performing rights organizations, such as ASCAP and BMI, which monitor the public performance of music and ensure that creators are paid for their work. However, the rise of digital music platforms has posed new challenges for copyright law in the music industry. With the advent of streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music, musicians are now able to reach a global audience with their music instantaneously. While this has opened up new opportunities for artists to share their work, it has also raised questions about how musicians can be fairly compensated for their music in the digital age. One of the ways that copyright law is adapting to the digital music landscape is through the implementation of digital rights management, DRM technologies. DRM technologies are designed to prevent unauthorized copying and distribution of digital music files, ensuring that musicians are able to control how their music is used online. However, DRM technologies have also been criticized for restricting consumer rights and limiting the ability of musicians to share their work freely. Despite the challenges and complexities of copyright law in the music industry, it remains a vital tool for protecting the rights of musicians and ensuring that they are able to profit from their creative endeavors. By understanding the principles of copyright law and staying informed about the latest developments in the industry, musicians can navigate the legal landscape with confidence and continue to create music that inspires and entertains audiences around the world.